welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning the piano accompaniment of Fallin by Alicia Keys in the original key. This is by far one of the easiest piano accompaniment you can learn. Feel free to use the chapters to skip to sections in the video. Let's begin. Here's middle C for reference. The song is in the key of E minor, which has 1 sharp, F sharp. Like many of Alicia Keys' songs, this song has that 6/8 time feel, which means that we'll count to 6 when we play, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The entire song uses only one chord progression, and that chord progression has only 2 chords. Let's begin with our left hand. Our first chord is E minor, where we'll play E octaves. Next is B minor 7, where we'll play B, and we repeat with E octaves and B. For each note, we count 6 beats. If your hands can't stretch that far, you can just play a single E note with your left hand, followed by B. Single E note, followed by B. So again, that's E minor, B minor 7, E minor, and B minor 7. On the right hand, for E minor, we have G, B, and E, and we come back down with E, B, and G. So again, the counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when playing, we want to emphasize the first and fourth note by playing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For B minor 7, we have A, D, and F sharp, followed by F sharp, D, and A. So again, the counting we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we want to emphasize the first and fourth note by playing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, that's E minor and B minor 7. Then we go back to E minor, which is the same notes we've learned before. Now for B minor 7, we'll play our chord with a different inversion. We have F sharp, A, and D, followed by D, A, and F sharp. Like before, we're emphasizing the first and fourth note. So for the entire bar, we'll play the chord progression E minor, B minor 7, E minor, B minor 7. Putting both hands together, we have this: E minor, B minor 7, E minor, B minor 7. A little faster: E minor, B minor 7, E minor, B minor 7. The chord pattern is played at the intro and verse sections. Now for the chorus section, we'll still play the same notes with our left hand, with E octaves and B, E octaves and B. For the right hand, instead of playing the chords broken like this, we'll play all the notes together like this. We'll play the solid chord 5 times. So with hands together, we have this for E minor. For B minor 7, we also play the right hand with solid chords. And back to E minor, and then B minor 7. We'll play with both hands a little faster, like so. This is the pattern for the chorus sections. How easy was that? You learned the entire song. Want to learn another Alicia Keys song? I have linked If I Ain't Got You in the description and comment section.